Jampui Hill, the enchanting paradise of Tripura, has been a place of tourist attraction for its place and scenic beauty. About 10,000 tribal population used to live in different peaks of this hill range since centuries ago. Large parts of Jampui Hill RD block are not standalone settlements but part of a cluster settlements, which are relatively proximate to each other. This cluster typically illustrate potential for growth, has economic drivers, and derive locational and competitive advantages. And this is termed as Baliansip cluster. This cluster, once developed, can be classified as Rurban. Hence, taking cognizance of this, Baliansip cluster has been proposed by the District Administration North Tripura to be included in Samaprasad Mukherjee Rurban Mission, aimed at developing this rural area by provisioning of economic, social and physical infrastructure facilities. Baliansip cluster consists of 8 habitations, namely Hunpui, Tlakshi, Bangmun, Baliansip, Manglajayan, Tlangsang, Tankibari and Sabwal, chosen from 4 village committees under Jampui Hill RD block. Different development projects have been taken up under Rurban Mission to bridge the rural-urban divide and to achieve balanced socio-economic development. CC roads and blacktop roads have been constructed in all the habitations as core components under Rurban Mission. Construction of 6 numbers of passengers waiting sheds in different stoppages is extended assistance to improve efficient mass transportation system. Pakka drains have been constructed for proper discharge of rainwater. Steps have been constructed at the approach road of Darkhung Thuroka, a historical place located at Bangmun. Innovative water treatment projects are being constructed at Sabwal and Rulchukung area under Bangmun village, which will augment the spirit of Jal Jeevan Mission to provide piped drinking water to every household within the cluster. Provision of rainwater harvesting structure in every household is a vibrant initiative of people's participation in urbanization. 486 solar street lights have been installed in different habitations within the cluster. Tripura Rural Livelihood Mission has enhanced the rural economy of the Baliansip cluster by empowering women in financial and social sector. Community Investment Fund, Revolving Fund and Vulnerability Reduction Fund have been provided to the self-help groups and village organizations. Different livelihood activities like grocery shops, plantations and livestock rearing have been taken up by the SHG members after availing bank loans under Tripura Rural Livelihood Mission. Sanitation and cleanliness drive in convergence with Swachh Bharat mission is an illustration of encouraging public-private combined effort in Baliansip cluster. Heavy-duty trash bins and trolley bins have been installed. Bangmun has become the cleanest village in Tripura. Baliansip cluster has successfully been stepped into the path of urbanization.